Today, let's compare the safety performance of three popular large pickup trucks: the Chevy Silverado, Ram 1500, and Toyota Tundra. The test we will be using to compare them is the driver side small overlap. This test is challenging because only 25% of the car width strikes the barrier, which concentrates the force in a small area. As we will discover, one of them is clearly safer than the others. To start, let's look at how the structure holds up in each of the trucks. Having a strong structure that maintains its shape is crucial to safety because it ensures the restraint systems can operate as intended and also create a survival space for the occupants. The Toyota Tundra does the best, with a maximum intrusion of 9 centimeters. The Ram 1500 didn't do as well, with a maximum intrusion of 17 centimeters. Even worse is the Chevy Silverado with a maximum intrusion of a whopping 28 centimeters. Next up, let's look at the risk of injuries as recorded by the crash test dummies. All three vehicles did a good job of protecting their occupants in most body regions. The Toyota Tundra did the best, with risk of driver injuries low. While the Ram and the Chevy did a good job in protecting most body regions, they both had moderate risk of injuries to the legs. Now it's time to look at the overall ranking. With the strongest crash structure and low risk of injuries, the Toyota Tundra comes in first place. The Ram 1500 comes in second place. Its structure did a decent job and the vehicle protected most body areas. In last place is the Chevy Silverado. It has significantly more intrusion than the other two, which increases the risk of injuries. While talking about the Silverado, it had a much more concerning situation happen in another crash test. We will examine this together in an upcoming video. Subscribe to make sure you don't miss out. Thank you for watching.